kids! Today we are going to practice reading sentences that start with I have with Teacher Relshi. Are you ready? Let's start. I have a bed. It is soft. I like to lay on my bed. I have a pen. Its color is orange. I like my orange pen. I have a ball. Its color is orange. I like my orange ball. I have a bag. It is a purple bag. I like to use my purple bag. I have a bike. Its color is red. I like to ride on my bike. I have a book. I have many books. I like to read books. I have a jacket. Its color is green. I like to wear my green jacket. I have a lamp. It is a purple lamp. I like my purple lamp. I have a swing. It is strong and sturdy. I like to play on my swing. I have a dress. Its color is pink. I love to wear my pink dress. I have a net. Its color is blue. I like my blue net. I have a telephone. Its color is green. I like to use my telephone. I have a mask. Its color is blue. I like to wear my blue mask. I have a duck. It is fat and healthy. I like to play with my duck. I have a pig. It is fat and big. I like to play with my pig. I have a bird. Its color is blue. I love my blue bird. I have a drum. Its color is red. I like to play with my drum. I have an umbrella. It is big and colorful. I like to use my umbrella. I have a crayon. It has many colors. I like to use my crayons. I have a cake. It is sweet and delicious. I like to eat my cakes. I have a slipper. Its color is blue. I love to wear my blue slipper. I have a kite. It is colorful. I like to play with my kite. I have a radio. Its color is red. I love to listen music on my radio. I have a sharpener. Its color is green. I like to use my green sharpener. I have a corn. It is sweet and delicious. I like to eat a corn. I have an avocado. I like to eat an avocado. It tastes good. I have a mango. It is sweet and delicious. I like to eat a mango. I have an eggplant. Its color is violet. I love to eat an eggplant. I have a banana. It is sweet and delicious. I like to eat a banana. I have a guava. I like to eat a guava. It is delicious. I have a cheese. It is delicious. I like to eat cheese. Thank you. Once again, this is Teacher Relshi, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye. See you again.